So let's talk about cleaning screens. Now there's two ways you can do it. You can either clean the screen dry or you can clean it wet. Dry cleaning is simply dusting and it's pretty straightforward. You can use any kind of soft bristled brush like this bench brush. It's just a matter of going over it from top to bottom, giving it a good scrub. This is breaking loose dust, it's rolling up cobwebs, and you want to do this on both sides. And it's pretty straightforward. This is sufficient usually for screens that are either inside so they don't get that dirty, or they're well maintained so they aren't dirty to start with. So this is the most basic way to clean a screen. Now from time to time you might need to wet wash a screen. If they're really dirty or if the customer specifically requested it, you want to know how to do this. Sometimes screens get really nasty, especially if they're on the outside of the window year round. So a quick easy way to do that is to use a strip washer. You can even use the same window cleaning solution you normally use, although I recommend using a separate bucket of solution and using a strip washer that's specifically for screen cleaning so you don't get cross-contamination between your window cleaning tools and your screen cleaning tools. Once you've got that figured out, it's as simple as just scrubbing the screen down, being very thorough, top to bottom, both sides. Once you've done that, a garden hose with any basic sprayer is all you need to rinse this down. Rinse it top to bottom, making sure that you get rid of all the soap residue. Okay, now this screen is ready to dry and get put back in. So now that we've thoroughly washed and rinsed the screen, we've still got quite a bit of moisture on here that we need to remove before we reinstall it. So there's a couple of quick tips on how to do that quickly. If you take the screen and just give it a tap against the ground, that'll knock a lot of the moisture off. Now you want to be gentle so you don't damage the frames, but that's a simple way to do it. Or you can use the towel snap method, and this is kind of fun and easy too. You just snap in the middle of the screen there, and that again will pop a lot of the moisture off. It won't get all of it, so you'll have to go back with a towel and give it a quick wipe down, especially focusing on the frames. But that's a quick and efficient way to get these screens dry so that they're ready to reinstall.